Negate. To cancel, invalidate, or make something ineffective. To deny the truth or existence of something. To make something have no effect or value. The new evidence may negate the original conclusion. The benefits of exercise are not negated by occasional rest days. His apology did not negate the harm caused by his actions. Negate comes from the Latin negare, meaning to deny or say no. It is related to negative, negation, and negate. The new evidence negated the effect of the old rule. The court nullified the agreement. The scientist refuted the theory. His statement contradicted hers.